Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Figma to Android Studio. If you're designing in Figma and developing in Android Studio, connecting the two can save you a lot of time. Instead of manually recreating UI designs, you can use tools that convert your Figma screens into code, making your workflow faster and more efficient. One of the easiest ways to do this is by using the Upspeed plugin, which helps you generate Android-ready code directly from your designs. To begin, open your browser and go to Figma, log into your account and open the design file you want to use. Once your project is open, go to the Plugins section. You can access this by clicking at the Actions button found at the toolbar. Search for the plugin called Upspeed. Install the plugin if you haven't already, then open it. When the plugin launches, you'll be asked to log in with your Figma account. Complete the login process to connect the plugin to your designs. Now, inside your Figma file, select the specific screen or frame that you want to convert into code. Make sure your design is clean and properly structured, since the generated code will depend on your layout. With your screen selected, go back to the Upspeed plugin. Inside the plugin interface, you'll see options to generate code. Click on Generate Code. The plugin will process your design and convert it into code suitable for Android development. Once the code is generated, you'll have the option to download it. Click on Download Code and save it to your computer. Take a moment to review and test the code inside Android Studio. You can run your project to see how closely the generated UI matches your original Figma design. Using Figma together with plugins like Upspeed and tools like Android Studio can significantly speed up your design to development workflow. To summarize, connecting Figma to Android Studio using Upspeed involves installing the plugin, logging in, selecting your design screen, generating code, downloading it, and importing it into Android Studio. This helps you convert designs into usable code more efficiently. And that's how to connect Figma to Android Studio using the Upspeed plugin. This workflow can save you hours of manual work and help bridge the gap between design and development. While the generated code may still need some adjustments, it gives you a strong starting point and speeds up the entire process. As you get more comfortable, you'll learn how to structure your Figma designs in a way that produces cleaner, more accurate code outputs. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.